Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Have you ever wondered why so many of us wait for other people to help us feel proud of ourselves? Today we're going to talk about pride, what it really is, and how you can create pride for yourself starting right now. If you're an accountant, a business owner, or any high-stress professional who's used to chasing approval from others, it's time to start creating pride on purpose and be proud of yourself. You don't need others to be proud of yourself, and I'll walk you through a simple framework that you can try this week to start feeling proud. Not someday, but today. Let's dive in. Have you ever finished your bookkeeping, a long day of reconciliations, closed the prior month's financials, or survived a brutal audit and thought, when is somebody going to tell me that I did a good job? You want someone to say, nice work, or for a boss or partner to finally notice that you stayed late 20 nights in a row. You want that external stamp of approval. I'm proud of you. But waiting for other people to help you feel proud is like waiting for the weather to decide your week. It might happen, sometimes, but you give up control of your inner self when you outsource your pride. The good news is that pride is not a prize that others give you. Pride is a feeling that you generate, and once you realize that, everything changes. Let me explain. Your thoughts create your feelings, and your feelings are what's driving your actions, and those actions are producing your results. Pride follows that same process. When you think, I did a really good job, you feel proud. Feeling proud makes you act in a way that reinforces your competence. You volunteer for a bigger project, you decide to mentor someone, or you put a process improvement in place. Those actions create results that people can see, but the key is the thought that you were thinking. You can choose the thought. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.